Hello, dear students. Good morning, students. As you know, we have read the first five chapters in this textbook. Number second, snapshots. So this is the seventh chapter which we are going to start because the sixth chapter and the chapter number eight, these two chapters have been excluded from your syllabus by CBSE board only for this session. So the chapter number 7th is to be started, written by A.J. Cronin. Let's start reading this chapter. First of all, I would like to tell you here a very brief chapter sketch before we start reading it. Bete, the chapter, as you can see here, the entitled word is here birth. Okay? So this the chapter is entirely connected to this term birth. The whole story revolves around the birth of a baby. The birth of a baby, especially such a baby who who is who is okay born in a lifeless condition. Who is born in lifeless condition. So the chapter is written by A.J. Cronin. The author of this chapter, A.J. Cronin, tells us something about the best efforts taken by a doctor named Andrew Manson who has just qualified himself with a degree of MBBS, okay, and also started getting his medical practice as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page in some mining town in Blenley named Wells. The doctor is not an experienced one. He is really totally inexperienced. He is a fresher. He has just started, okay, his medical practice. So he is a medical practitioner. Though he is a medical practitioner, he proves himself a very skilled and highly talented doctor, since he saves the life of such a child who is very near to his death. Who is very near to his death. The doctor, the doctor is really a far-sighted one also. So one day, when he spent some time with his lover, with his girlfriend named Christine, named Christine. So this the girl, okay, this the girl Christine maybe speak some unwanted words, and a conflict takes place between these two lovers, okay, Andrew Manson and Christine, during some evening hours, and the evening remains totally boring and very disappointing for the doctor. Anyhow, he controls our feelings and he starts his journey for his house. Okay, he starts his journey for his house. It is the time of around midnight when he finally gets his home, gets his house, and as soon as he gets there, he unexpectedly meets a person named Joe Morgan. Joe Morgan, whose wife is expecting, okay, whose wife is expected to give birth to her first child after a long span of 20 years of their marriage, of their wedding. So when Andrew Manson meets Joe Morgan just outside his house, at that time he was really in a very heavy, muddled thoughts. But anyhow, he came out of his long and heavy, muddled thoughts, and he attended the voice of Joe Morgan, whatever he spoke to him. And when he was told that he must go to their house in order to help his wife, who was going to give her first baby, who was going to give birth to her first baby, and it was the baby was going to take its birth before time, and Joe Morgan was really in much tension. So, beta, Andy Manson, who had no who had got no long experience, okay, accepted the offer, and he went with Joe Morgan to his house number 12. As soon as he reached there, he observed the situation, he examined the whole situation, and he stayed there during the night hours. Okay, each and everything will be read by us in the story. I am giving you only some brief, summarized facts of this chapter of this story. So when he notices that when he noticed that there were three persons sitting in that bedroom, including Joe Morgan's wife, whose name was Susan Morgan, and her 70-year-old mother, and a midwife was also, elderly midwife was also present there. So those the three women were present in that bedroom, and Joe Morgan had remained outside the house. He did not want to go with the doctor there in his house, inside his house, and he remained outside since he was in much tension and worries. He was in much tension and worries. Anyhow, Dr. Andrew checked his patient, and when he found that Susan Morgan was not going to give birth to the baby very shortly. So he wanted to take some rest, because he had already worked hard during the day hours, and he had got badly exhausted. Better. So he went downstairs. He came downstairs and sat down inside the kitchen by the side of the fire that was burning in the grate. And he remained there for at least for an hour or so. And when it was the time of around 3 p.m. after midnight, so he again went there, and he found the situation. He examined the situation again, and he noticed that it was the right time to help the woman give birth to her first baby, and he helped her. But when the baby was born, so he noticed that baby was quite still, and there was no movement in the body of the baby, and he thought that it was a dead one. So he got badly frightened, since he had not seen such kind of case in his life before, and he had also not attended such kind of critical case on the previous days. That's why when he found that the baby was totally out of form, and he was totally still, and he looked lifeless. So he got badly tensed, but anyhow he did not lose his heart, and he tried his best to save the life of that child, and he applied all the methods of respiratory system, since he found that there was that the baby had been the victim of the shortage of oxygen, and he applied his all methods. So while struggling while struggling hard, okay, to revive the child, he he had also felt much tiredness, but he did not give up his hopes, and he continued working hard. So finally he got succeeded in saving the life of the child, okay, and he felt so much relieved and delighted also. And it was the first time in the life of Dr. Henry Manson when he had seen such kind of things, and that the incident, that the okay that the experience of uh, reviving almost a dead child really brought a big change in the life of Dr. Henry Manson, and okay got he got himself fully satisfied, and he then left the place and came back to his home. And this is the story. Such kind of facts are written in the story. So now we would like to start it. Barth A.J. Cronin in this excerpt, from the Citadel, Henry Manson, newly out of medical school, has just begun his medical practice as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page in the small Welsh mining town of Blenheim. Okay, this is the short story written in the form of a passage which has been taken from a book named The Citadel. Okay, the author tells us here about a person who is a doctor by profession and whose name is Henry Manson better, and who has just qualified himself as a doctor, getting his degree, okay, as MBBS from some school, from some institution. And this is the person. Henry Manson has also started his medical practice as an assistant, working under Dr. Edward Page in the mining town, in the small Welsh mining town. The name of the town is Wales, and this the town is the part of a state named Blenheim. Okay, so up to here I think you have understood each and everything very clearly. Or if you think that, sir, you should give us the explanation again, so I am here, okay, to give you the explanation again. I am totally ready to give you the explanation again. So kindly listen to my explanation again. The chapter which we are going to, the story which we are going to read, okay, explores the facts in connection with a person. Explores the facts which in connection with a person named Henry Manson, who is a doctor by his profession, and who has just completed his education, okay, from some institution, and got the degree of MBBS, okay. And one more thing which I would like to share with you here. The chapter has been taken from the book Citadel, okay. And while writing the chapter taken from the book Citadel, A.J. Cronin writes most of the facts concerning to the life and activities of Henry Manson, who is the protagonist of this chapter. And the doctor has just completed his education from some institution, and has also got the degree of MBBS. And secondly, he has very recently begun or started his medical practice as an assistant, since he wants to get some experience, okay, from he wants to get some experience from some hospital, and he starts working, okay, as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page. He works as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page, okay, in small Welsh mining town of Blenheim. So one day when as he is returning from a disappointing evening with Christine, the girl he loves, he is met by Joe Morgan. On some day, or we may say on some day in the past, when he is returning, when he was on some day when he is returning from a disappointing evening. So having passed some disappointing hours, evening hours with his lover Christine. When Andrew Manson is returning his home, coming back his home from his clinic, from his hospital, okay, he is met by Joe Morgan. So he is met by Joe Morgan means finds he finds a person named Joe Morgan who is waiting for him outside his house, okay, walking up and down in the street, okay. And Joe and his wife, who have been married nearly 20 years, are expecting their first child. It is also told to us in the okay in the overview of this chapter that Joe and his wife, who have been married nearly 20 years, 20 years have passed since they got married, but they have got no child till now, and they are expecting their first child now. So it is really very exquisite moment for them, since they are expecting their first child after a long span of 20 years. Okay, bete. So now I would like to give you here the explanation concerning to the first passage. Though it was nearly midnight when Andy reached Brangower, okay, Brangower, he found Joe Morgan waiting for him, walking up and down with short steps between the closed surgery and the entrance to the house. It was the time of around midnight when Andrew Manson reached his home in the town Brangower. When he reached there, he found Joe Morgan. He found a person named Joe Morgan, okay, who was waiting for him quite expectantly. While waiting for the doctor, Andrew Manson, that person, Joe Morgan, was walking up and down in the street or on the road with short steps in a much tension and worries between the space between the space okay between the space of the two places, the closed surgery and the entrance to the house. So I would like to give the explanation again better. When Andrew Manson reached his home around midnight, he caught the sight of a person named Joe Morgan, who was waiting for his arrival quite expectantly, walking up and down with short steps, means walking up and down in much tension and worries, just between his closed surgery and the entrance to his house. Both the places stood opposite each other, surgery and the house. They stood opposite each other. So between those two places, okay, the closed surgery and the entrance to the house of Andrew Manson, between the two places, okay, Joe Morgan was pacing up and down with short steps, waiting for the arrival of Dr. Andrew Manson quite expectantly, so eagerly. At the sight of him, the burly driller's face expressed relief. The word driller stands for a person who works, okay, as an employee at a drilling machine, or you may say a person who also works as a driller to drill the wooden logs or some other things also. So at the sight of means as soon as Joe Morgan caught the sight of okay, the doctor Andrew Manson, the word burly stands for sturdy, muscular bodied, heavy built bodied, okay, that the person Joe Morgan, whose body was very strong So that the strong bodied man, muscular bodied man, Joe Morgan, felt so much relieved. His face expressed relief means he felt so much happiness. He felt so much happiness. When Henry Manson caught the sight of the doctor, Henry, when Joe Morgan caught the sight of the Dr. Henry Manson, he felt so much delighted and he also felt so much relieved because he had been waiting for the doctor very expectantly, quite expectantly in much tension and worries. At that time, his mental condition was very okay. His mental condition was at the worst condition since he was badly worried regarding the taking the birth of his first child, and he thought if the doctor did not reach the right time, okay, something wrong, some wrong incident, some unauspicious incident, unfortunate incident could happen in his house. A doctor, I am glad to see you. I've been back and forward here this last hour. The missus wants a before time too. When Joe Morgan noticed or found the doctor, okay, there standing outside his house, he addressed him using the word, hey doctor, I am glad to see you. Joe Morgan told Henry Manson that he was very glad to meet him, to see him. And he also told him that he had been, back and forward means he had been wandering here up and down, back and forth, back and forward here for the last 1 hour, okay, and he had really been so much worried, but at that time when he spoke those words, he was very happy. The missus wants he told the doctor that his wife really wanted his help because he was going to give birth to her first child before the time, before the maturity period of the delivery case. The missus wants before time, okay, too. And he spoke the words and he told the doctor that he must get himself ready to go with him to his house. This is the lecture completes here, and now I would like to give you we would like to start reading the next part of this chapter in the next lecture, okay, since I am to make one more lecture for class 12th at this moment, at this time. Thank you beta, it's enough. जयंती ए जयंती जयंती ए जयंती क्या करेगा ये मेरा पीछा नहीं रबड़ चिपक तेरे
ये क्या ये
तारी रबड़ है
गलती से ही
डाल देना
क्या गिर जाएगा मैं करता हूँ
मैं सोए तो रबड़ चिपक मेरे क्या लेट को तो रबड़ चिपक को बता शरीर में पता नहीं क्यों हो रहा सो ना
अबे रबड़ ले जाओ किस बात बोलते हैं सो बस अब सो
बहुत तो बात हुआ है एक वीडियो बनाया ना और छोड़ दे दूसरा एक आलू या काट दे मैं काट डाल दूँ पिन ढंग से करे अंदर दे घर का बेटा चल अरे राम में बोले स्क्रीन तो बेकार सर देगी है ना रे बंद
आपका फोन हैंग होने लग गया
देख स्टॉप करो स्टॉप ना यार
स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर सारे ऐप्स ऐसे हो रहे हैं
स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर देखो आधे घंटे वीडियो बनाई है बंद ना यार
आपका फोन शायद हैंग होने लग गया अरे आप इतने डिलीट तो कर दो स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर में जो पहले बनाए हुए इतने ज्यादा भर रहे हो
एक भी नहीं है मोरक है देख आज का बनाया वो ये सब है
वैसा कहते हैं वो अंदर स्टोर हो जाते हैं अपन वैसे डिलीट कर देते हैं
कैसे हो पुरानी
कर दिए बस
बैठ पढ़ ले थोड़ी देर मैं बिछाऊं तो कोई दोबारा ना बैठ जा चद्दर सही ढंग से बिछाओ चद्दर सही नहीं बिछा रखी
सही बिछ रही है एकदम ओए चीजें पता है किससे हो रही है छिपकली ये पापा छिपकली बोल रही है इसी के अंदर है ये काली काली गुंडी से छिपकली सकल में बाकी गई रात ये पापा ये देखो ट्रिक ये गए पापा सुनो आ रही है ना ये ये मम्मी मैं किस होती हूँ कट गई मम्मी पापा गई मैं ऐसा करती हूँ अपने ऊपर गिर जाएगा ये बेचारी क्या कर रही है एंडी प्लीज